You go on social media right now, everybody's saying learn a skill, learn a skill, learn a skill. Far as your university student, you need to learn a skill before you graduate. If you have graduated, you are doing your NYC, learn a skill. In fact, when you finish from NYC, in fact, when you finish from university and you go for your NYC, when you are doing, I think they call it SAED, right? SAED. They will be teaching you a skill. They will be teaching you skills on how you can be able to make liquid soap. Liquid soap in 2026. So they will be teaching you on how you can be making liquid soap. And you have to understand that these are things that if you are someone who is looking for a way to make global impact, bro, liquid soap is not the way forward. Because you didn't even spend almost all your time in school at the end of the day to come and start learning how to make liquid soap. And with the noise of learning a skill, people are very desperate. There's a lot of people that are sincerely ready to learn a skill, but they don't know which skill to learn. And if you are among this group of persons, don't worry, this video is particularly made for you. I have been there. I was struggling to know the particular skill I should learn as a student before I graduate from the university, and I've gotten one of these skills, and this skill has exposed me to a lot of other skills that I believe that as you are watching this video, you can access them and see how you can choose one for yourself, and it's going to be very beneficial to you. Learning a skill in Nigeria, especially in a country like Nigeria, is not something that is supposed to be underrated. I have to write them down because I'll be mentioning them one by one, and I'll be telling you on how you can be able to go about it and the importance. You have to look at yourself and see whether you have the mind, you have the strength, you have the ability to push through in any of these skills I am going to mention. I'm just going to mention 5. So out of these 5, I believe you are going to see one of it. And if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Basi Ejoba, and in my channel I help students level up the academic game. I also share helpful tips on this channel focusing on personal development. So if you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button and also share my videos to your friends so they can come here and gain value. So number 1 of this skill I want to mention is what is known as digital marketing. Digital marketing is a skill that is of greatest importance, especially this 2026. In fact, when you move, if you are staying in a town, when you move at least 20 steps, you are going to see a bar. If you don't see a bar, you are going to see an hotel. This is to tell you that people, now these hotels, they are not just opening because they want to open. They're opening because they want to make profit. They want to make money. Someone that wake up and use his money to open an hotel means the person wants to make money. And they cannot make money if they are not known. So at the end of the day, this means that these people want to be known. They want to be known as an hotel in that particular area, and you can come in the concept of digital marketing. Also, there are a lot of businesses. You see people selling clothes, you see shops, aluminium shops, you see car engine stuff, and a lot of things like that. So that's to tell that these people are actually there. They need someone who can put them on the map, and that is where you come in as a digital marketer. Now, this is marketing, but now you're not just doing your marketing analog, you're not doing offline, you are not taking your market online. That means you are not putting your market on Facebook, you're not putting your market on YouTube, you're putting your market on TikTok. In fact, if you go on TikTok now, you see people that are selling food. Like they'll be selling polo, they'll be selling crayfish, they'll be selling anything, even sugarcane. People are selling sugarcane now on TikTok. So that is to tell you that people are not just, we have gone past the era of carrying your market on top of your head and going to the market and sell. Now people stay in the comfort of their house, buy data and use their phone and sell. But people don't know how to go about it. A lot of business owners don't know how to go about it, and that is where you come in as a digital marketer. You can go and meet them and tell them that, okay, I can do this thing for you, but this is what I charge to do it for you. And when you are good in that, when you are good and they trust you and they give you money and you help them make sales, bro, you don't need to advertise yourself now. You don't need to advertise yourself because you automatically you are their employee. They are going to employ you and they are going to get a lot of referrals. So if I'm selling clothes and you help me make sales and make up to 1 million just selling clothes, because I've been trying to do it, I don't know how to do it, but you came in, I paid you just 15,000, I'm making 1 million. I will take it to my friend that is selling chickens, or any of my friends that is selling any other stuff. You understand? And that is how you can continue growing and growing. Start with one person, and that is how you continue growing and growing and growing. So, number 1 skill there is digital marketing. Number 2 is video editing. Now in 2026, everybody want to become a content creator. People want to start making videos. People want to start how they can become a content creator. Either they want to show their face or they don't want to show their face. That's what we call faceless. You understand? So if you know how to edit videos, in fact, you don't even need sophisticated editing as per se. Most of the people don't care about what you are doing. But if you know how to edit videos, bro, there is no how you cannot be getting it. Especially, I made a video on how you should learn the concept of sales. You should learn how to sell. You understand? So video editing is in high demand. People just want to make content. They are busy, so you can help them edit their videos. And if you can edit their videos, so keep people hooked to watch the video till the very if you can be, in fact, they say there was a controversial stuff that was going on Twitter X of recent, where a man said he's going to pay at least, I think, 1 million naira for 100 videos every month, and it brought about a lot of controversy on Twitter X. So if you know how to edit videos, especially in this 2026, you know that you are sitting on a gold mine. So this is one of the skill, that is the second skill or the second high income skill every man should learn. The third one is sales. Yes, talked about sales. It is one thing to learn a skill, it is another thing for people to know, or it's another thing for you to make money from that particular skill. There are a lot of people that have learned video editing, but up till now they have not made 1 naira from video editing. There are a lot of people that have learned graphics design. There are a lot of, in fact, mention them, programming. I see this a lot in the Nigeria programming society. There are a lot of people that have learned this skill, but they don't know how to make money from it. So if you learn the concept of sales and you learn this skill, then it gives you an added advantage to be among the 1% group of people in that particular field like you. So sales is basically seeing how you can express yourself effectively, communicate to people, and let them buy your idea or buy your product. So that is just how it is. The fourth skill there is content creation. Now, if, as it stands now, content creation is a gold mine. Content creation is, in fact, content creation is a new oil well. So as a content creator, you are sitting on a gold mine, and you can start content creation as it stands. And the moment you finish watching this video, you just have to choose a platform. Do you want to do content on YouTube? Do you want to do content on TikTok? Do you want to do content on Instagram or Facebook? And after choosing that, you have to look at yourself and say, okay, what can I do? Do I know? What can I do? Do I want to talk about the Bible? Do I want to be dancing? Do you have a particular stuff that I want to talk about? And that's what is known as niche. So you have to choose your niche, what people are going to know you about. You understand? And see how you can focus on it. Get to know people. People get to know you about what you are doing. Just like I'm doing, and this is content creation. I do content creation on YouTube, I do content creation on TikTok, I do content creation on Facebook. So I cross platform. You understand? So that is basically how it works. Content creation is the new gold mine. Whether you show your face, what we call faceless content creation, or when you show your face, which is known as a face content creation. And before I call this last one, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also drop it in the comment section. If you learned any skill before and you haven't made money from it, drop it in the comment section. Let me know. And let's mention the very last skill here, which is tech skills plus automation. In fact, of recent I've started talking about learning Python, but the truth of the matter is that it is just one thing for you to learn Python, and before you finish, AI is going to take over you. Yes, your skill is going to become obsolete. A lot of people are learning skills that are no longer needed in 2026. Yes, so if any skill you are learning should be focused on tech skill, and you should know how you can be able to automate. Automation simply means making things move even when you are not there. So when I hear people talking about automation without actually understand the concept of automation, I laugh because they don't do automation. Automation, you don't necessarily have to be there. You allow AI, which is artificial intelligence, to process everything for you. You want just to come and dial in one command and everything is done for you. It helps save you time. So if you understand the concept of automation, you can take it to business owners and tell them, okay, I can automate your sales, I can automate this for you in your business and stuff like that. And at the end of the day, they are going to accept you. If they accept you, and you are also going to make money while you help them make money. So automation is now also one of the oil well. In fact, if you learn programming, if you learn any programming, Python, any programming language or whatsoever, learn how you can be able to automate businesses for people. Understand? Learn how to automate businesses and sales for people. And I tell you the truth, you are going to make money. I think there's one automation that one guy brought, where if you are selling a digital product, someone chat you up, someone click your link and it goes on WhatsApp. You don't even need to be online. I think the site is going to respond to the person. The person is going to make payment, and the link, or yes, the link of the course is going to be sent to the person or whatsoever. So that is what automation is. It helps saves time. So you must learn the concept of helping business people save time. So these are the 5 income skills every man should learn as far as 2026 is concerned. I'm not just limiting it to men. If you're a woman also, this skill can also be beneficial. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and also share my videos to your friends so they can come here and get value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue making helpful videos like this. And until I see you in my next video, always remember you are wonderful, always remember you are unique, and always remember you're a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.